Okay, I can see where you're coming from. But it's 10. You have 5 and 1 14. Garrett, 2 plus 2 and 3 sevenths plus 1 and 4 21st.
What?
Okay?
What?
Okay, guys.
What?
I'm going to give you a hint. You can do it one of two ways. I can keep these whole and add them up. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8. I know it's going to be at least 8. Now, 114. Garrett, 7 goes to 21. So I'm going to start with, what's the next multiple of 21? It's 42. Believe it or not, 14 goes into 42 3 times. 7 goes into 42 6 times. 21 goes into twice. So if you just go times 3 times 3 times 6 times 6 times 2 times 2, you get him into 40 seconds.
What?
So this becomes 3 40 seconds plus 18 40 seconds plus 8 40 seconds.
What?
Is that making sense? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Now, 3 plus 18 is 21, plus 8 is... So, this doesn't even add up to more than 1. So my answer is 8 and 29 40 seconds.
What?
Okay? Now, Cody, your answer was 355 over 42? 365. Okay, yeah, 365 over 42.
So,
And that's, if I go 8 times 42, I get 326. No, 336. And I add 29 and I get 365.
whoa.
Okay? And so that is the same thing. 365 over 42 is the same answer as 8 and 29. Yeah. You know how to use the calculator. If you have a calculator and you can punch in, know how to punch it in, like punch in this 5, and then this the calculator will figure it out and tell you the answer like that. Okay? Okay? Okay. Yeah.
Cody.
Same thing. On 8, I would go 1 times 9, 24.
Love these things.
Me too.
Okay.
Cookie.
Oh yeah, we got them last year.
Guys, I had them from my thing, and I decided not to take them to the staff room. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Dude, I want
7,
the
8, 9, 10,
cookies.
11.
I get more. We get more.
Cookie.
You guys,
I
gotta work for yourself.
What cookie?
If
I go cycle for
So
cookies.
basically, those of you who have your homework done get a cookie.
What cookie?
Oh yeah. I got my homework done.
I did too. I wish.
And
Cookie. What the what?
now,
This is like I folded out the tin cookie.
okay, ready?
Dude, imagine if I farted on your dick. Shit. Oh, there goes my left nut.
Alright, so cute. Alright. Guys, I have to do a couple of things, and I've got to do it real quick. We're going to just cover. So I do want you to take a real quick page of notes. And it's going to go like this. Ready?
Let's go.
Put the date on the top of the notes page.
Oh, son.